Steve from Ready Garden. Today I'm going to be fermenting some seeds, so I want to show you how to do that. Let's get to it. And here's a list of items you will need for fermenting. First, we'll start with some milk thistle seeds. We'll use 2 tablespoons. Then we'll lightly crush the seeds. Next, we'll rinse the seeds and place them in a clean jar. We'll use roughly 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds as well. They will not need to be crushed. We'll rinse the fenugreek seeds and place them in the jar as well. 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Now to this ferment, you could also add things like cinnamon sticks, fruit, fennel seeds, dried or fresh ginger as well. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of organic cane sugar. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then next, you can add 2 to 3 cups of filtered or distilled water. It just depends on how big your jar is. You do want to leave some room between the rim of the jar and the top of your liquid. So maybe roughly 1 centimeter to 1 inch of space, as you see here. And then you can just lightly stir everything together. Next, I'll cover it with a cloth and I will secure it with a rubber band. It's important to label your ferments, include all ingredients and the date you created this ferment or the day you want to stop fermenting. All right, it's been roughly 5 days or so, I believe. And so now it's time to strain this ferment. So I'm going to put about half of a tablespoon of agave in a clean glass jar that's bigger than the jar the ferment was in. I believe this is a 48-ounce jar and the fermentation was in a 32-ounce jar. So I'm straining it here with a stainless steel mesh strainer. I'm going to compost the seeds for the garden. At this time, you could shake the ferment a little. I wouldn't shake it vigorously, but you could shake it a little to get the agave or whatever, if you did put sugar in there. Next, I'm adding the club soda. And now I'm going to taste it. Slightly sweet, a little tangy, but definitely very doable. So that is how you can ferment seeds very easily at your own home. Thank you for watching.